Welcome back to HeartWise, the ultimate heart health series. Today, we're diving into one of our most powerful tools for preventing heart disease, your diet. What you eat can significantly impact your heart health, and today, we'll explore how a heart-healthy diet can prevent and manage coronary artery disease. We'll also look at two of the most recommended diets, Mediterranean and DASH. Plus, I'll share some practical tips to help you get started on the right path to heart health. A poor diet high in saturated fats, trans fats, and added sugars can lead to high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and a greater risk of coronary artery disease. But the good news is that a heart-healthy diet can help prevent these issues, lower your risk of heart disease, and even reverse some damage. But what does a heart-healthy diet look like? There are many options, but two of the most widely studied and recommended diets are the Mediterranean diet and the DASH diet. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the traditional eating habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Greece and Italy. This diet emphasizes healthy fats. Instead of butter or saturated fats, it focuses on unsaturated fats, especially olive oil. These fats help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. Fruits and vegetables, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these are the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. Whole grains. Swap out refined grains like white bread and pasta for whole grains like oats, quinoa, and whole wheat. Fish and seafood. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines help reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels. Moderate dairy and poultry. These are eaten in moderation, while red meat is limited to only a few times a month. One of the best things about the Mediterranean diet is that it's easy to follow and incredibly delicious. Plus, it's been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. Next is the DASH diet, which stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. This diet is specifically designed to help lower blood pressure, but is also incredibly beneficial for heart health. The DASH diet focuses on fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 4-5 servings of both each day. Whole grains. Replace refined grains with brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread. Lean proteins. Include lean proteins like chicken and turkey and plant-based options like beans and lentils. Low-fat dairy. Choose low-fat or fat-free dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Low sodium. The DASH diet emphasizes reducing sodium intake, which is crucial for managing blood pressure. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium daily or 1,500 milligrams for even better results. Both the Mediterranean and DASH diets focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that can help protect your heart. But the best diet is the one you can stick with, so feel free to adapt these principles to your taste and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about some practical tips for maintaining a heart-healthy diet. Whether you're following the Mediterranean, DASH, or a combination of both, these tips can help you plan your meals and make heart-smart daily choices. Plan your meals. Planning meals in advance helps you stay on track and avoid unhealthy choices. Mix half your plate with vegetables and fruits, 1/4 with lean proteins, and 1/4 with whole grains. Watch your portion sizes. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if you overeat. Control your portions, especially when eating high-calorie items like nuts, seeds, and oils. Choose healthy snacks. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, choose snacks like fresh fruit, unsalted nuts, or yogurt. Limit processed foods. Many processed foods contain unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium. Read labels carefully and stick to whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Stay hydrated. Water is the best choice for hydration. Avoid sugary drinks and limit alcohol intake. By making small changes and staying consistent, you can create lasting habits that support your heart health. And don't forget to enjoy your food. Healthy eating should be satisfying and flavorful. Let's talk about some essential nutrients that play a significant role in heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids. In fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Try to include fish like salmon or mackerel in your diet at least twice a week. Fiber. High-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains help lower cholesterol levels. Aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber per day. Potassium. Foods like bananas, spinach, and sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the strain on your heart. Antioxidants. In berries, leafy greens, and nuts, Antioxidants protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating these heart-healthy nutrients into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Simple changes like swapping out refined grains for whole grains or adding a handful of nuts to your salad can make a big difference. While there are plenty of heart-healthy foods to enjoy, there are also some foods you should limit or avoid altogether. Trans fats and saturated fats. Found in fried foods, baked goods, and processed snacks, these fats can raise your LDL cholesterol and increase your risk of heart disease. Sugary foods and drinks. Consuming too much sugar can lead to weight gain and higher blood pressure, which strain your heart. Limit sweets, sugary cereals, and sugary beverages like soda. Excess salt. High sodium levels can raise blood pressure and contribute to heart disease. Cut back on processed foods, canned soups, and salty snacks. It's all about balance. While it's okay to enjoy an occasional treat, try to keep these foods as rare indulgences rather than daily staples. Thanks for joining me today on HeartWise. If you found this episode helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more heart-healthy tips. And remember, new episodes are posted every Saturday at noon. If you have any questions or want to share your heart-healthy recipes, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.